Hi there, I'm Carol Ibbotson from coolwoolschool.com. Let me ask you a question. How would you like to make money from your knitting or crochet hobby? Wow, I hear you say no one makes real money from knitting or crochet, do they? Well, I'm going to let you in on a secret, my friend. You can have a profitable business based on your knitting or crochet knowledge. It's not by making items to sell. And it's not by designing or creating patterns, although you may do those things as well. It's by using your knitting or crochet experience to work as a pattern technical editor, known in the biz as simply a tech editor. Interested? Then pop over to coolwoolschool.com to find out more about my introductory workshops. Why not come on in and see if you like the world of tech editing? I promise you, you will have fun. See you soon.